Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. An administrator accidentally deleted the boot VM Linux file and must resolve the issue before the server is rebooted. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to identify the correct version of this file? Option A. RPM ka grep kernel. Uname A. Option B. Yum-y update. Shutdown R now. Option C. Cat, etc. CentOS release. RPMUVH, NodeUps. Option D. Telenet 1. Restock on RV, boot. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. RPM ka grep kernel, uname A. Question 2. A cloud engineer needs to change the secure remote login port from 22 to 4900. Which of the following files should the engineer modify to change the port number to the desired value? Option A. etc. host. Conf. Option B. etc. hostname. Option C. etc. services. Option D. etc. SSHD config. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. etc. SSHD config. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.